Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the boAt Bassheads 242 in-ear wired headphones. Right on the top you have an image of KL Rahul. There are some other specifications written over here. This particular headphone comes with secure fit ear hooks. It has IPX4 water resistant earbuds. It has a free carry pouch and it also comes with a cable clip manager. You can also see the secure fit ear hooks right over here. This earphone also comes with a 3.5mm jack, has HD inspirational sound, easy access controls with a line mic. This is basically your inline mic and volume control. And this particular earphone also comes with a dynamic 10mm driver. Now let's open this box and take a look at it. Take a look at all of its components. So there we are. This is what you find inside the box. This is a carry bag from boAt. There you go. There are a couple of documents here, and this is more or less what you find inside the box. We have a carry bag for this particular earphones. There you see. Next we have some product information brochure and a warranty note from boAt. There's also a boAt head sticker. And these are your extra silicone tips. Over here you will see the large variant and the smaller variant, the medium one already attached to the earbuds. I'll leave this over here as well. Now let's take a look at the earphones themselves. There you go. It's a pretty long cable, like almost a meter, 1.2 meters I think in length. It's a cable tie here. There you go. Quite a long cable, or like I said, meter long, at the very least a meter long. So you have over here your angular nozzles, and it has this ergonomic design to it. I mean, all of these hoops, all of these wings and the buds are made out of silicone. So these are your secure fit ear hooks. The idea is that when you wear them, put them on, these hooks will make sure that these buds don't fall out. They also have an angle to it. There you can see there's a pretty distinct angle to it, and these are not magnetic, unfortunately. Over here there is a module. This is the inline remote. You have the volume rocker plus minus along with the play and pause button. And what do we have further down? This is the clip cable manager. This is a very important addition. This is what will help you keep your wire tangle free. And finally we have a 3.5mm jack. This is what you find inside the box containing the boAt Bassheads 242 in-ear wired earphones. Thank you for watching.